Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for all of those who don't know me, I am a tarot card reader and I have been doing this thing from the last 5.5 years. I don't remember. Okay. So today we are going to check what do you need to hear right now. Okay. It will be a two pile reading. Pile 1 is this golden pin. Okay. And pile 2 is this, I don't know if it's pink or purple, some other colored pin. Okay. So people who selected pile 1 or the golden pin, let's see what you need to hear right now. Okay. The thing which you need to hear right now is the person you are showing your ego to or you are competing with can never get into your favor. If you want to make something work, you need to work with that person or with energy or with divine thing. For example, let's say you say that I hate God, I hate God, God, I just don't love you. And then you try something and you fail in that. And then you expect, God, why didn't you help me? But you are the one who said, God, I hate you. Okay, you were in opposition of God. God never told you he hates you or it hates you. You are the one who is like, I don't like God, God doesn't love me. Then how do you expect loving offers and loving relationships and loving gifts from God? How? Okay, let's see what else. It's not like you can't get what you want, but it's like there is a lot of internal conflict and agitation. Like in reality, probably you aren't in a conflict with people, but internally you are still fighting with them. Internally, you are still fighting with yourself. Internally, you are still fighting with the idea of you having something. The internal conflict is the main reason of your suffering. Okay? And the moment you get over this internal conflicts and accept things the way they are and be very hopeful of things and not like why would this happen to me, why would such great things happen with me, is the exact moment when opportunities, not even a single opportunity but very like so many opportunities will flow into your life and you will flourish in it so much. Believe me, kindly change the internal script, kindly change it. Okay, that's it for you guys. Let's see what do you want to hear right now, people who selected this pin. Okay, okay, so I see the people who have selected this pile. You people can be master of so many things. Okay, but the thing is, either you lack direction or you lack proper time management, because of which you are suffering. It's not like you don't know how to do a task or you don't know how to do your job right, but it's like you have a lot of jobs to do. And when your focus is so much dispersed, how can you expect high high kind of abundance from one field? Either it will be little abundance from every field, or you will have to narrow your point on which you are making efforts. If you're making efforts here and expecting like great returns from everywhere or from one particular stage or from one particular point, then that's not possible. It's not working for you like this right now. I'm not saying it doesn't work for people, it does, but for you it's not working right now. And it's not like your wishes aren't getting fulfilled. Behind the scenes, or probably in the past, your wishes have got fulfilled. And God wants to tell you that other wishes will also be fulfilled, but you need to have that gratefulness, thankfulness. Okay, And don't confuse love with security. Okay, love is like, it might have started right now, but for security you need so many other things for that to persist. Even if you, for example, you have met a person right now and you're very happy and you're in love, but that doesn't define that person staying in your life for long, because for them to stay in your life for long, you both need to be secure in yourselves and in your lives too. So just because you have found someone, or just because you have got one thing in your life, doesn't mean you will overlook, you have, or you will forgive the other parts of your life. For this thing to sustain, you need to work on this too, so that both of these things work together and amplify your experiences or amplify your manifestations. Okay, that's it for pile 2. Thank you. Bye bye.